In today's video, I will be discussing the differences between the popular supplements Huel and Athletic Greens. I aim to provide a comprehensive comparison to help viewers determine which option is better suited for their needs. The primary distinction lies in the pricing structure. Huel's prices range from. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. A relatively affordable $45 to $85 per bag, making it a more budget-friendly option. On the other hand, Athletic Greens is comparatively more expensive, with pouches and travel packs costing $99 and $109 respectively. Additionally, Athletic Greens offers single and double monthly subscription packages, with pouches priced at $79 and $149 respectively, and travel packs costing $89 and $169 respectively. Consequently, Huel emerges as the more economical choice overall. When it comes to product variety and flavors, Huel boasts a diverse range. It is available in various forms, including powders, protein bars, ready-to-go drinks, hot and savory instant meals, and daily grains. Huel also offers an extensive selection of flavors, such as berry, peanut butter, vanilla, chocolate, cinnamon, and many more. In contrast, Athletic Greens is limited to a single product type, a green powder with its original natural flavor. Therefore, Huel provides a broader array of products and flavors, catering to different preferences. Regarding nutritional value, Athletic Greens stands out. It combines 75 high-quality ingredients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, to create a well-balanced supplement that promotes immunity, energy, metabolism, and digestion. Each serving of Athletic Greens contains 50 calories and 6 grams of carbohydrates. Huel's products, on the other hand, contain balanced ratios of protein, fiber, sugar, salt, phytonutrients, and 27 essential vitamins and minerals, with varying amounts of calories ranging from 110 to 410 and carbohydrates 5 to 63 grams per serving. While Athletic Greens offers more nutrients with fewer calories and carbohydrates, both supplements have their unique nutritional advantages. Despite these differences, Huel and Athletic Greens share some similarities. They both charge a standard shipping fee of $9, and they endeavor to deliver orders within 3 to 5 business days or sooner. In conclusion, when choosing between Huel and Athletic Greens offers flexible subscription plans that allow customers to modify or cancel their orders at any time. It also provides a wholesome supplement that promotes overall health and wellness. However, my personal preference leans towards Huel due to its affordability, wide range of products and flavors, and numerous health benefits. I encourage viewers to explore the products through the links provided in the description.